Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Today we will learn how to import and animate 3D designs using Adobe After Effects. To get started, we will download a free 3D model from the TurboSquid website. We choose the category of free 3D models. When selecting the filters, make sure to choose models that support the GLTF format, and we look for the model that we like the most. I have already searched and have chosen the model that you see on the screen. To download the file, simply click on the download button and choose the GLB file format. Once downloaded, we can go to After Effects. I am going to create a composition of 1920 by 1080 pixels, what we commonly know as Full HD. We double click on the rectangle tool to create a background. We have the option to change the color according to our preference, but I prefer to keep it as it is. And with a double click on the project panel, we import the 3D design. And we drag the design into the composition that we have previously created. In the pop-up window, click on the Make Comp Size option and click OK. And we adjust the position and scale of the design. Now I'm going to adjust the rotation on the X and Y axes to get a more attractive perspective. Well, let's add a camera to get an isometric design style. To do this, we go to Layer, New Camera, and we added a 135mm single node camera. Again, we adjust the position and scale a little. We can also add a light to cast shadows by going to Layer, New Light. We choose an environment type light, activate the Cast Shadows box and click OK. And we adjust the value of shadow darkness to our liking. Now I'm going to animate the rotation of our 3D object. We go to the second 3 on the timeline and create a keyframe on the Y-axis of rotation and position. Next, I go back to the beginning of the timeline, move the position, and modify the Y-axis rotation to make a slight 3D rotation. We select the last keyframe, and with the F9 key, we smooth the movement of our animation. Let's preview it and see how it looks. To finish, we are going to modify the color of our design. We select the 3 layers and with a right click, we pre-compose them. Let's go to Effects, Color Correction, and select the Hue Saturation effect. And we modify the color of the 3D design to our liking. We preview, and voila! Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.